This is the skating training video. Have fun, you two.
First step, you do not do my step. First, and step on it and get really fast like that. Yeah. And you and another step, you do this. Yes. Oh, look a pole. Let's turn on the cable. Awesome. And now, number 3, you got a stick and start raking up the snow. And then you start. Ew. What my clothes? Never do that. Ow.
Get up, silly.
No, I like to catch bubbles.
Nice training video. Roxy!
Where? No, that's Moxie.
That's Moxie? Whoopsie. Hello, Moxie. Okay, goodbye.